Hi, want to know how to show or hide caller ID on your Samsung Galaxy A14? So, as a first step, open the phone application and then click on these three dots on the right edge. Then go to the settings and here scroll down until you'll find this tab named Supplementary Services. Open it and here is it. This setting named Show Your Caller ID. By clicking on it, here we can see three options, which is Network Default, Never, and Always. So Network Default is usually the always option, so we basically got two, never or always. If we will set always, all of the people that you are calling to will be able to see your phone number and also call you back. But if we will set never, none of the person that you will be calling to won't be able to see your phone number. So they will see just no caller ID or no phone number available, and they also won't be able to call you back. And this is it how it works. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.